everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So since we are in the camera, we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on the three bars icon and enter the settings here. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Default Settings. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, the settings flashed a little, let's say, blinked a little. So we can try to go back to the camera. And as you can see here, we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because here we've got the info which appears if we are opening the camera for the very first time. So we've got this welcome to camera talk, let's say. So you will have to agree, of course, and what's more, you cannot see the green lines here, which means that we just for sure reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to restore camera defaults in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.